It is cold outside. This is what they did so far. Everybody was out shoveling. This is not even a parking spot right there. This is right outside my bedroom. And then see some cars. Some people didn't even have shovels. That's a big old mound of snow. But it's beautiful outside. Cars. And there's my car right over there someplace. My car's right over there. Wait a second, I don't see my car anymore. Where's my car at? Something's not right. Hold on. Oh, somebody's parked in front of my car. Okay. But anyway, people are still trying to dig themselves out. Yeah, so that's my road. It's all ice. You can't even drive on top of that. My car would never get across that because I do not have the right tires. I was just in the process of trying to get some winterized tires or winter tires when this happened. Boy. Let's go look at the other side. Yeah. And there goes my daughter. Yeah. And there's my grandmother and my aunt. Everybody's just chilling out over here. Let's go look outside. My daughter's room. Yes. Let's look out the back side. Come on. What's my There's butter in your pancakes already.
You put it on there?
Yes. Yes, they were on there from earlier.
Earlier, exactly. I don't taste any butter.
Okay, Caleb, look, put some more in there. I'm telling you, my child, she acts like she's helpless. Okay, Caleb, what do you want me to do? You're 11 years old. Figure it out. If it doesn't taste right, put some butter on it. It's margarine type butter. It's like a spread. Spread it on there, then pop it in the microwave for a few seconds, and then I'm deal with it. Lord, I'm telling you, you do something for your child all the time, they act like they're completely helpless. But this is the back side. So it's like a field on the side of my building. There's beautiful pine trees and all that. But you can see some of them back there, over that way. They're kind of falling over there. Then you still got the little pond there. But this whole building, this building back here, does not have power. So they're kind of ass out too. Then back over this way, back that way, there's a tennis court and everything back there. So those buildings back there do not have power. So anyway, this pine tree, I was hoping please don't fall on top of my building. So, and then my aunt and them, they don't have any power or anything. So they're staying over here with us. So that's it. And out here, out in the kitchen, back this way, there's the field. You can see it better there. Yeah, that's it. So now I can look, and then back that way too. Back that way, no power. But people are trying to walk out and everything. But you can see this car here. Couldn't even dig out. No shovel. This is the front of the car right here. So it's the same level as the snow that goes right across into the grass. So, and it's like a slope here, so the kids were outside yesterday with their beach boards and stuff sliding down the hill, because this is all hills, and so the kids are like loving it. So we'll see what happens. These big pine trees outside my kitchen. Yep, anyway, but that's it. And that's it. There's my helpless child eating in the dining room. What's my baby? What you matter, boo-boos? Do it. Then in my bedroom, my bed, I had to open up the futon so my grandmother could sleep here. But, yep. Anyway, that's all. Nothing else to say. Okay. And there's my aunt. No.